Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix hanging problem in your this Samsung smartphone. So how you can fix it if you are playing games or opening any application. It is taking too much time that is needed to open one app by one click. So let's fix this problem, friends. If your storage is full, you have to definitely clear some of the application documents, apps, videos, photos for some of the space to run the application. There is a need of space for all the apps to run their application. So first clear all the unwanted things in your smartphone. Then friends, you have to just boost your storage by some of the system security app that boost your performance or optimize your battery. So you can do this. Then friends, you have to click on the settings and then click on applications, click on three dots, reset all the app preference. Now select the application that are taking too much storage and running in the background unwantedly. So you have to click on background data, and here you have to turn off the background data usage. So there will be a minimal usage of the apps in the background, so it will not affect the battery and also it will not affect the hanging problem. So this is how you can fix your hanging problem in your Samsung device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.